To show recently open apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, there are 3 ways that you can do. First, by tapping the recent button. If you use navigation button, you can tap the recent button at the bottom of the screen to view all recently open apps. Swipe the screen to the left or right to find the app you like to open. And then tap the desired app thumbnail to open it. Second, by using gesture. If you use navigation swipe gesture, you can swipe up the middle of the bottom of the screen and hold your finger on the screen like this to view all recently apps. Swipe the screen to the left or right to find the app you like to open. And then tap the desired app thumbnail to open it. Third, by using apps panel. To do so, swipe the apps panel handle inward to open up the apps panel. Swipe the panel to the left or right to find the apps panel. By default, all your recently open apps will be displayed at the top section of the apps panel. Tap the desired app to open it. So, those are 3 ways that you can use to show all your recently open apps. If you have other way to do so that has not been listed here, you can share it through the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.